10. Force, work and energy. New words. 1. Turbines. 2. Mechanical. 3. Wheel and axle. 4. Frictional. 5. Gravitational. 6. Elastic. 7. Magnetic. 8. Muscular. 9. Screw. 10. Wedge. 11. Fulcrum. 12. Inclined. 13. Geothermal. Looking back 1. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the effects of force? Answer. The 4 effects of force are: A. Force can move an object. B. Force can stop a moving object. C. Force can change the direction of an moving object. D. Force can change the shape of an object. 2. Why is frictional force important in our daily life? Answer. Frictional force is important in our daily life as it is needed to walk without falling. 3. Name one force that can act even when two objects are not touching. Answer. Gravitational force acts when two objects are not touching. Looking back 2. Answer the following questions. 1. What type of lever is a stapler? Hint. The load is the end with the staples. Answer. Stapler is a third class lever as the effort is put in the middle. 2. Why do many supermarkets and other public places have ramps? Answer. The supermarkets and other public places have ramps so that load can be carried easily from one level to another. 3. What is the advantage of a screw over a nail in keeping things together? Answer. A screw requires less force to penetrate the wall due to its thread as compared to a nail, which has no thread and requires more force. 4. Does a pulley decrease the amount of force needed to lift an object? Answer. No, the pulley does not decrease the amount of force needed to lift an object, but it makes our work easier by changing the direction of force as a downward effort is used to lift the load and it is easy to pull down than to pull up. Looking back 3. Answer the following questions. 1. List 3 things that you do that need energy. Do you think you can do anything without energy? Answer. The 3 things that we do and need energy are: 1. Playing with friends. 2. Running on the field. 3. Walking to school from home. No, everything that we do needs energy. 2. Name 3 sources of energy that do not produce smoke and pollute the environment. Answer. The 3 eco-friendly sources of energy that do not produce smoke or pollute the environment are: 1. Solar energy. 2. Wind energy. 3. Hydropower energy. Exercise. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. With what force does every object in the universe attract other objects near it? A. Frictional force. B. Gravitational force. C. Elastic force. D. Mechanical force. Answer is B. Gravitational force. 2. What is the force that makes a material resist stretching and go back to its original state? A. Muscular force. B. Frictional force. C. Elastic force. D. Gravitational force. Answer is C. Elastic force. 3. Which of these is a second class lever? A. Scissors. B. Pliers. C. Tweezers. D. Bottle opener. Answer is D. Bottle opener. 4. Which of these is not a simple machine? A. Seesaw. B. Scissors. C. Bicycle. D. Screwdriver. Answer is C. Bicycle. 5. What is used to convert water energy to electrical energy? A. Turbine. B. Windmill. C. Solar cooker. D. All of these. Answer is A. Turbine. B. Identify the simple machine. 1. A rod free to rotate about a fixed point axle. 2. Made of two inclined planes wedge. 3. A slope inclined plane. 4. A nail with a winding edge cut into it. Screw. 5. A grooved wheel with a rope passing around it. Pulley. 6. A wheel with a rod attached to the center. Wheel and axle. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. A machine consisting of many simple machines is a complex machine. 2. The fixed point in a lever is called then fulcrum. 3. In a lever, if the fulcrum is between the effort and load, it is a first class lever. 4. The axe and the knife are examples of wedges. 5. Water that falls from a height has hydropower energy. 6. Steam from inside the earth is used to generate geothermal energy. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Name the different types of forces and explain any two of them. Answer. The different types of forces are A. Muscular force, B. Gravitational force, C. Frictional force, D. Elastic force, E. Mechanical force. Muscular force. When we push or pull any object, we use our muscles. This force is called muscular force. Elastic force. The force that resists stretching and makes the material to go back to its original state is known as elastic force. 2. Name the 6 types of simple machines. Answer. The 6 types of simple machines are A. Lever, B. Wedge, C. Wheel and axle, D. Inclined plane, E. Screw, F. Pulley. 3. What are the different types of levers? Give 2 examples for each type. Answer. The different types of levers are A. First class lever. Example, scissors, pliers. B. Second class lever. Example, wheel barrows, nut crackers. C. Third class lever. Example, fishing rods, tweezers. 4. You have to load your suitcase onto a truck. You are not able to lift the suitcase. Which simple machine can help you do this? Why? Answer. An inclined plane can help me to load the suitcase onto the truck. The slope of an inclined plane decreases the force required to lift and load the suitcase. 5. A single fixed pulley does not reduce the effort required to lift a load. How does it make our work easier? Answer. A pulley does not reduce the effort required to lift a load but makes our work easier by changing the direction of force. A downward effort is used to lift the load as it is easy to pull down than to pull up. 6. What is energy? Name the different types of energy. Answer. Energy is the ability to do work. The different types of energies are A. Heat energy, B. Sound energy, C. Light energy, D. Hydropower energy, E. Electrical energy, F. Mechanical energy, G. Wind energy, H. Solar energy, I. Geothermal energy. 7. Write a note on wind energy and solar energy. Answer. Wind energy. This energy is obtained from wind through windmills. The blades of windmills move due to wind, which in turn can be used to generate electricity or grind grains. The energy is non-polluting. Solar energy. Solar energy is obtained from the sun. The solar panels can convert the solar energy to electrical energy. Solar cookers, calculators, and many other devices use this energy. The energy is non-polluting. Higher order thinking skills. 1. A wheel is not a simple machine. What will you do to make it into a simple machine? What is such a machine called? Answer. A wheel is not a simple machine, but it can be attached to a rod to its center to make it a simple machine. Such a machine is called wheel and axle.